we going? Levi's. Sharifa kami sinota to. Sharifa kami kinota to. Let's go from them now. There's turbulence. Do you have more questions? It's festival time for Rolling Lock Day 1.
Whoa.
I am white. What's happening? Outfit check. Good morning, vlog. We just had breakfast. Calling Adam's grandma.
Hello, Adam.
Hello, my wonderful gran. I was just thinking of you.
Hello.
Thinking about me. Hello. Just walk tall, walk straight, and look the word right in the eye.
Perfect.
Are we late? I think we are. Babe, take us through your liquids.
Water, sparkling. Juice, tanning. Juice, orange. Why not?
Inside joke.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.
We're gonna play by kite tonight.
Hey.
Two songs or 3 songs?
We're gonna say.
We can do one. So what outfits they do?
All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog.
We got so much
We got so much more. Okay, basically we have these wristbands, and on there Levi's puts money for us for drinks, but we don't drink. So we got so much more. I got this. We got 3 tops. We got trucker hat. Adam got this hoodie. We got that one. Got another one for his brother. Got a hoodie for his mother. Bars. Today's festival was like,
it was crazy.
we were just people watching. Yeah, it's quite early. The festival's kind of just getting started, but we're good. So we're Ubering back to the hotel, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably just chill. Impressive, babe. Yeah, totally. Do your best. You just got shot in the foot impression. 3, 2, 1. Guys, Vaseline in your lashes.
Let me do it.
Try.
Okay, go.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Grapes.
What are they called?
Grapes.
No, these are not grapes, babe.
I want to decorate your plate.
Yeah, you can do that. Wait, where did you get a bigger plate?
From the bigger plate shop.
Oh.
Like this video if you've ever had fruit or have been made to feel like you shouldn't have fruit.
Okay, let's eat this piece of art now. School trip! This is fire.
I'm glad they don't make us put on.
I know, life jackets. That would really ruin the aesthetic. I don't get seasick, I get seasick. Trying to get you drunk. Day of the festival. We're leaving at 7:30. It's 7:10. I keep rushing myself in this hotel room. Like, let's get changed. On today's outfit menu, the dungarees. Let's try it on. I know this one. Beautiful. Set the world on fire. We can go high. I'll give you a beat.
I'm on my way to Rolling Loud. I'm my friends and I'm proud. We're gonna scream and shout. We're gonna sing a song. It doesn't take long to get there.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! When I wanna say that I'm driving, sing to the back and I'm rock my head. I get my time, work it up. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Leave the bridge, I wanna stay safe. Leave the bridge, I wanna be back. We're jumping, stop, speeding, stop, we're jumping, like a beat. I'll give you my ladies, I'm driving, that's a bit of 100.
We're getting crabs. Then we're going home. Taste test. That is so good. Sorry. Home sweet home. Fresh merch. Good morning. Good morning. Packed everything this morning. We're gonna go lie by the pool. And then we're going home. Babe, stop it.
Yeah, did you not even notice that?
I did notice it. You're addicted to jet skiing, babe. What is he doing? Our flight got cancelled. We got a new flight for like 6 hours later. So we're leaving much later, so we're spending all day in the sun. Where are we going, sir? Home time. He carries all my bags. Hello, hello.
Does it even work?
No, it doesn't go there.
Yeah. There's one.
I like it.
Okay. Hi, just this place.
We was meant to fly at 2 and the flight got cancelled now. We don't get home until
11:40.
we don't get home until 2 now.
Ciao.
Nothing.